Despite the widespread COVID vaccine, we're finding, despite the widespread COVID vaccine availability, there have been over 100,000 deaths since mid-June, bringing the total of deaths to 700,000 and more than 44 million cases. As flu season nears, medical professionals are urging patients to get the flu and COVID vaccine. The flu attaches to 295,000 people in the United States. The vaccinated during the holidays need to continue to wear masks. Health experts insist that we will be able to have a vaccine for those that are ages 5 to 15 sooner rather than later. I think that's already available, though, for Pfizer, unless I just read that wrong. Anybody on my panel know? Y'all are the experts.
I don't think it's available for 5 to 15 yet. I think, like you said, they've been talking about it. I have a 7-year-old, so I've been on the lookout trying to hear about that.
Oh, okay. So what ages can get it now? Give me the facts, y'all. It's how long? How old?
For the Pfizer vaccine right now.
Oh, okay, the end of this month. Okay, I'm looking back. Let me look at my notes. We'll meet at the end of this month to discuss Pfizer's vaccine eligibility for children ages 5 to 11. I was on the first thing smoking. The minute they said my kids could get it, I was in there, but that's just me. Okay, comments from our panel. Dr. Dominga.
I think that this is crucial. I think that this is extremely important. And as we're going into this pandemic or continuing on, I mean, we've lost more people than we lost during the flu of 1918. And I saw a panel this weekend on the news, and they were talking about this country was supposed to be pandemic proof. But when you have people like Trump come in and you suppress the pandemic response and the pandemic response unit and the like, and then you don't have the type of access that we were just talking about in the last segment, and then you got the ignorance and the disinformation, we're getting what we're getting right now. People are still blaming immigrants and blaming people at the border and not wanting to look at doing the work themselves. And I feel like we still have the opportunity to get out of this. If it's just the will. We're kind of like slaves to our freedoms right now. People having this mentality where I can kind of do what I want, you can't tell me what to do, and we keep mixing up freedom and license. You can have the freedom to not get vaccinated, but you don't have the license to make me sick. And so we need to make sure that we're continuing on this route. I think that we're closer to overcoming it, but I'm very nervous about the holiday season and what's going to happen. And I think that there'll probably be another surge after that because people are just so stubborn right now.
Avis?
I completely agree. Amen, amen, amen to everything that Dr. Dominga said. I mean, I loved it. You have the freedom not to get vaccinated, but you don't have the license to make me sick. That is the part of it that is so critical to me, because you have all of these people, interestingly, the same people who want to take away a woman's right to choose around here talking about my body, my choice when it comes to the vaccine. I find that very interesting. But it's not just your body. That's the thing. It's all of our bodies. And things, unfortunately, will probably get worse as we head into the colder months and more people are inside. And if people don't start to really take this thing seriously in terms of getting vaccinated, in terms of wearing those masks, we're going to find ourselves once again back in another space where we are seeing spiking rates of COVID. If we want to get past this thing, we all need to do our part, and a major part of that is making sure that you get the vaccine.
Get vaxxed, y'all, for all of our sakes. Please, Jesus.
Folks, back to our Roland Martin Unfiltered video in just one moment.
Betty is saving big holiday shopping at Amazon. So now, she's free to become Bear Hug Betty. Settle in, kids. You'll be there a while. Ooh, where you going?
Time to be smart.
Roland Martin's doing this every day.
Oh, no punches!
Thank you, Roland Martin, for always giving voice to the issues.
Look for Roland Martin in the whirlwind, to quote Marcus Garvey again.
The video looks phenomenal, so I'm really excited to see it on my big screen.
Support this man, Black Media. He makes sure that our stories are told.
See, this difference between Black Star Network and Black-owned media and something like CNN.
I got to defer to the brilliance of Dr. Carr and to the brilliance of the Black Star Network.
I am rolling with Roland all the way. Honored to be on a show that you own. A black man owns the show.
Folks, Black Star Network is here.
I'm real revolutionary right now. Roland was amazing on that.
Stay black. I love y'all.
I can't commend you enough about this platform that you've created for us to be able to share who we are, what we're doing in the world, and the impact that we're having.
Let's be smart. Bring your eyeballs home.
You can't be black-owned media and be scared.
You dig?